Oh, good. Thank you for welcoming me. I'm J. Fred. This is Matthias.
I don't feel like being Matthias today. Can I be Brian?
Welcome to the Human Sound Effect Challenge. Today we're gonna do little sound effects with our noise, little funny sound effects with our noise, with the noise that comes from our mouth. We're gonna make little noises with our mouths that sound like humans. Noises. They sound like humans, noises that come out of their orifices. Any type of noise. It might get a little weird. I don't know what Gunnar came up with. He has 10 different sound effects that come from the human body, and we have to make those noises, and Mike and Gunnar will judge us.
Wait, do we have to exclusively make them with our mouths?
Yes.
Oh no.
Oh. So if he's like, fart, and you actually fart.
What if you got one in the canister?
Because the nature of some of the sound effects, you have to make it with your mouth.
What?
Gunnar and Mike will be judging us, and the winner of this challenge does not have to spin the wheel of misfortune, but the loser does. So make sure you stick till the end of the challenge.
Giggle.
All right, Brian first.
Kudos to you though.
What?
You
First,
have
you
to
just
giggle.
went.
No, I
Giggle?
didn't. Yeah, you first. Does anybody giggle like that?
Yes.
I've never heard anyone
Only
giggle
your
like that.
grandma.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Is it my turn now?
Which one was the most entertaining?
Now, Mike's
Joey.
judge.
Joey won?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah!
That's the best giggle.
Don't forget who pays your bills, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
Go.
Spit up or baby puke.
Oh, he's gonna be the expert at
Oh,
this.
he knows this one pretty
Because
good.
he pukes all the
Okay.
time.
Oh!
Nice!
Is it on your hand?
My turn.
Oh, you don't have to spit. This
It
is
adds
the
to
most
it.
disgusting.
It adds to it.
Okay,
Go.
here's mine.
You failed halfway through, bro. I win.
That one.
Who?
This is the dumbest challenge ever. Thank you for giving us your time.
The next one better be fart.
Because I got one.
Better be fart. I'm not gonna actually fart.
Oh, I think you're going to.
That was like you standing.
We gotta be in. Oh, dude, that was a
You
wet
can't
part.
spit coming
Had to make it wet. Had to make
I
it
just
wet.
understand watching that spit just
like
We've stooped to new lows. Sometimes every once in a
You
while.
see that? He's like,
You ever have one of those? Neither do I. I
I
regret
need
this.
you to like tiebreak it because I liked all three.
Yeah!
Why? Because you have a lot of those farts? Is that why?
he's like, because I can relate to that one.
He's like, 'cause I just spread those cheeks wide so no one can hear.
True fact. I've never farted.
You know how many times I've done that while challenges have been going on?
Huh?
Huh?
You
Yeah,
sicko? You mean you silent fart? You silent fart in my
Yes,
presence?
No, I
From your rectum.
Oh, wrecked him. It darn near killed him. Oh, yeah.
stomach growl.
Okay. What the heck was that? It was like curious. Whoa.
You've never had a curious stomach growl? You know you have. You've... Is that even? Can you even hear that?
You swallow a cat?
You got the house?
Hey, that stomachs do that
Alright.
all the time.
I said Brian.
What, dude?
It actually sounded like a growl.
Yeah.
Slap.
Slap.
You have to make the noise with your mouth.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ew, dude, cringe.
Ew, dude! I got
You just
nothing.
missed it all over.
Why is there eyelashes all over the table? Who's
Okay,
shedding eyelashes?
ready?
No.
Dude, that was so good.
For a second, I was like, oh.
That was it.
No.
That was it, dude.
Redo.
That was it.
You can't use your hand.
Mine
DQ'd.
was dead on.
DQ.
Mine was so good, you're gonna disqualify me?
Can I give all of you points?
No point. No.
So nobody gets a point?
That's mine, dude.
We'll do Matthias.
Thank you.
What? He made
He
the noise
used it with his hands.
He got
What?
DQ'd.
I just did it just now. Way better than either of you.
Sounded like a popcorn popping.
Oh, it's because it's lunchtime. You get so sassy before lunch.
You got so nasty before lunch.
Say gurgle.
Gurgle?
I thought we just did that.
Can you say gurgle?
You
Oh,
did
like
spit up.
gargle?
Gurgle.
What's gurgle? That's your stomach
Like when you
gurgling.
Gurgle water.
That's gargling.
That's
Okay,
gargling.
gargling, whatever.
Is it like a gurgle?
thing.
Gargle?
Go back to kindergarten.
I think you're thinking of girdle and you wear that around you.
You do. Me first. Gurgle.
Gargle.
Gargle.
You don't even.
Don't correct me on something I previously corrected you on.
I can't, dude. Too cringy. Is it my
Swallow
turn
it?
now?
You spit it out?
Oh yeah.
You swallow your mouthwash or what?
The cringe is too hard.
I say Brian.
What, dude?
Hiccup.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
It's like you're violently
Yeah.
attacked by hiccups.
Now I'm
bye.
gonna do Luna's hiccups.
That was a better hiccup than this.
That's horrible.
No, it's the
Those
ones
are
where you
trying to
close your
laugh.
mouth. You're not like, hey girl, hey girl, like his.
Oh, that's what Jay Fred did.
Matthias wins.
Threw the baby in there.
Yes, anything with Luna will win.
Automatic win. You make that face when you say
Oh, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. That's how yours sound.
popped it into your side of your mouth.
I think that was real, dude.
After a while.
No, not fair, dude. That was a real
No,
cough.
it wasn't.
I got
DQ, it was
I got disqualified for doing a real clap.
You got the point though.
No, then
There was
I
a
did
noise
fake
that came
one.
from my mouth. My eyes are like watering. That was terrible.
What? Jay Fred.
Yeah.
Dude, he did a real cough. Disqualified.
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. Not. Stop.
Oh.
Oh, that was a cough.
Why does his face do that?
I don't know. He's twitching hard.
He's like nervous to say it.
Choke.
I don't think I've ever choked. Oh, I did. Remember that time Jake threw a grape in my throat, like 10 feet away, and he was like, "Catch this grape," and he throws a grape, and I open my mouth, and Jake literally just dunks a grape inside my mouth. It doesn't touch any part of my mouth, just goes straight back into my throat and lodges in my throat, and I'm like, and then I went, boom, and went in.
This is a true story.
And everybody was laughing at me, and I was laughing at myself because it was funny. Sound like you're being choked by hands. Okay.
Oh, what is in your mouth, dude? Why'd your tongue get so fat?
Sound like Golem.
You coughed out. He coughed out. No fairs. Doesn't count.
Because a little bit of air gets
A little bit.
a little bit.
You think you're funny? Just a little bit.
That one's Brian, but the problem
No way,
is you
dude.
guys have a three-way tie.
So last one.
All right, rock, paper, scissors.
Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, Matthias.
Oh my gosh.
It's not fair.
Go get it, dude. Go get it.
All right, this challenge
Next
is over.
game.
Jay Fred lost. Oh, Mamacita, that looks cold. Oh, I can feel.
All in the front. All in the front.
All right. Do the outro.
Wait, who won that? Are we just doing rock,
did.
paper, scissors? What do you mean you did? We tied.
wanna go?
Yeah, rock. Yeah. Just,
Okay.
You just can't claim victory.
Go.
Ready? Rock, papers. All right, ready? Rock, paper.
What's so hard? I do the same thing every time.
Rock, paper,
Matthias wins.
No, get out of
Make
here.
sure you check out that
No,
card
no,
up
no,
there
come on.
for similar challenges that are board games. The last challenge we did, I think it was the 5-second rule, so go check that out.
you gotta
Make sure
spin
you
it
go
now.
down and press subscribe as
did.
well. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.